Here are some really interesting camera shooting methods on your OnePlus 12 or 12R phone or the OnePlus 13 with Oxygen OS 15. To enable these settings that I'm about to show you, you'll want to go into the camera app of your OnePlus phone, and you will need to use the default camera app, not no other third party or that of a app from the Play Store. You'll now go ahead and tap on these three lines right up here to the top right. This will give you a drop-down menu of these options here. Now for starters, if you were looking to change the aspect ratio size of your photos, when you are here in this view mode, you can see them right there, okay? So that will allow you to have them taken in that specific size. You also got your timer settings here, and you got your HDR auto setting right there. Now, the more interesting ones are right here where it says settings. As you tap on it, you'll be taken to this part here. If you decide to turn on the watermark, you can come here and set on your frame watermark here. That's gonna appear like down there. And you got the general one where you can have it customized, okay? So you can see the watermark appearing on the photo itself. The frame one is gonna give you this white bar there, whereas the general one here, I'll turn this off, the general one is like your usual one that other OnePlus phones had in the past. So if you turn this on here, you can have these here, add watermark to, and you can choose whether you want it to add on photos, videos, or photos and the videos here. Okay, so if you just want it for photos, leave it for the photos only. You got the shot on OnePlus watermark that's going to be right here. And if you don't want that, you can just remove that here, but you'll need to have one of these set. You can set the location, date and time, and also customize the words that are going to appear on your watermark. And you can just go ahead and have fun. You got the size and position. Next up, we got a few more interesting ones here. We got add location tags. If you don't want your photos having location tags, make sure this is turned off, but if you want them to, turn it on. Next up, if you go down to the photo section here, we have the touch and hold shutter button. Now this will either set you to record a video when you long press it or burst shot. And this is going to be similar to that of Samsung. So if I hold this down now, it's going to start recording, as you can see for yourself, okay? But if you go back here and you set it to burst shots, it's going to show you the numbers right here, how much. And I just took about 20 shots. I'll go back and delete those there. Next up, you got shooting methods. This right here, you have the ability to tap on anywhere on the screen to take a photo. So instead of tapping just the shutter button to take a photo, you can tap anywhere on the screen for that to take a shot of whatever you're viewing to take a picture on. And then you got the show palm here. So if you're taking a selfie and you're the only one, or you and your friend want to take a shot, but you don't have no one to take a picture of you, switch to the selfie mode, put your palm up there, and it's going to capture it to take that photo for you. You got the QR code scanning here. So instead of having some sort of third-party app on your phone, you can turn this on. If there's a QR code on whatever you're taking a picture of, you can tap on the link when it appears, and that's going to take you to where you need to go. And finally, the portrait distortion correction, remove edge distortion when taking portraits of people, okay? So these are all gonna work into your favor, of course, depending on what you prefer. And hey, if you like this kind of tutorials, check out others and like and sub.